For centuries, history celebrated kings, emperors, and conquerors. But it almost forgot the women who terrified entire armies. Some led thousands into battle. Some defeated empires that should have crushed them. Others chose death rather than surrender. Their enemies feared them. Their people worshipped them. And their stories are even more incredible than most Hollywood legends. These are the bloodiest, bravest, and most legendary female warriors who ever lived, and how each one met her end. Long before history accepted women as military leaders, Artemisia I commanded warships for the Persian Empire. Even King Xerxes trusted her judgment during the Battle of Salamis. Friend and foe alike admired her courage, proving that true leadership was earned on the battlefield, not by gender. For more than 40 years, Queen Njinga stood against the Portuguese Empire when many believed resistance was impossible. She was a brilliant strategist, fearless diplomat, and relentless warrior who refused to surrender her kingdom. Her courage transformed her into one of Africa's greatest military leaders, and her legend still lives on today. At just 20 years old, Lady Trieux rose against one of the world's greatest empires. Riding into battle with fearless determination, she inspired thousands to fight for Vietnam's freedom. Though her rebellion was crushed, her courage transformed her into one of Asia's greatest warrior legends. For more than 40 years, Queen Njinga stood against the Portuguese Empire when many believed resistance was impossible. She was a brilliant strategist, fearless diplomat, and relentless warrior who refused to surrender her kingdom. Her courage transformed her into one of Africa's greatest military leaders, and her legend still lives on today. Before Rome ruled the Mediterranean, one queen dared to stand against its growing power. Tuta commanded the Illyrian kingdom with strength and defiance, refusing to submit to the Roman Republic. Her resistance sparked one of Rome's first overseas wars and secured her place among history's greatest warrior queens. Qingshu did not merely survive the pirate world, she conquered it. At the height of her power, she commanded hundreds of ships and tens of thousands of fighters. Even the Chinese government failed to defeat her. In the end, she negotiated her freedom and died peacefully, undefeated by every navy that hunted her. Born into a family devoted to peace, Nur Inayat Khan chose one of history's most dangerous missions. As a secret agent behind Nazi lines, she refused to betray her comrades, even under brutal torture. Her silence saved countless lives and cost her her own. The Gestapo called Virginia Hall the most dangerous Allied spy of the war. Despite walking with a wooden leg, she built resistance networks across occupied France, sabotaged Nazi operations, and repeatedly escaped capture. Her greatest weapon was the enemy's belief that she could never outrun them. As Russia descended into chaos, Maria Bochkareva formed the legendary Women's Battalion of Death. She believed fearless leadership could restore the fighting spirit of a collapsing army. Her courage inspired thousands, even as revolution ultimately destroyed the nation she fought to defend. Clad in black armor and fighting with unmatched determination, Khawla bint al-Azwar became one of the most celebrated warriors of the early Islamic conquests. So fierce was her skill in battle that many enemies believed they were facing a legendary commander rather than a single woman. They called her the Nun Shogun, but there was nothing ordinary about Lady Masako. Even after taking Buddhist vows, she remained the true power behind Japan's first military government. Her political skill shaped the future of the samurai for generations. At just 16 years old, Sybil Luddington rode nearly 40 miles through the night to warn American militia of a British attack. Her legendary ride covered almost twice the distance of Paul Revere's, making her one of the bravest young patriots of the American Revolution. At just 21 years old, Lilia Litviak became the world's first female fighter ace. Flying against overwhelming odds over the Eastern Front, she earned the nickname the White Rose of Stalingrad. Her final mission ended in the skies, but her legend never came down. Juana Azurduy spent years fighting Spain's colonial armies across the Andes. She led cavalry charges while carrying the dream of independence for an entire continent. Though she died in poverty, South America now remembers her as one of its greatest revolutionary heroes.